Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and along with the Nifty 50 chart analysis and finding out the important levels for the next week, I will share the most talked, most popular metal, yellow and white metal, gold and silver price prediction and levels with the chart analysis. Everything I'm going to discuss in detail with the Nifty 50 chart also and the levels also. So it is very important to see the video till the end to know everything about the gold, silver, and important global market update also with the Nifty 50 levels. So to know the Nifty 50 levels, gold and silver levels, is stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also. So this video is definitely going to be long because I am going to share the chart of the gold silver in detail. Fund houses also given some price prediction for the gold and silver, as this is more and much talked in present scenario, current scenario, as this is trading at its high level, and every now and then it is making new all time high, new highs, the silver and the gold also, even the gold also. So I'm going to share first of all gold chart. This chart is for the long term, so that I can say like in 2026 what can be the price for the gold. And you see, since here, like if you see since 24, if we talk last 1 year only, so since last 24 December, if we talk December 2024, I am talking last, just y on y last year, and see this year what happened since December 2024 to December 2025. You yourself can see the journey of the gold from here to here, how it is going up and only upward journey. कहीं में भी ये last year in 2025 you cannot see any big fall. Only this one, this is a 2 week fall of gold from here to here, and then again it has taken the reversal. So this is upward journey only for the last year from 2024 here. Yes, from here and here, from here to here, you can see it was the resistance. I can say this was actually a high of 43,070, 4,375, $4,375 was the resistance. Here you can see this line. Okay, this was 4,375, $4,375 uh, was the resistance, which is again a good support. And from here 4,375, from here it has given a good breakout weekly candle, and you can see how good candle it is from the last week. If I take roughly 4,350 भी कह सकते हैं, 4,350 का एक सपोर्ट है for the gold. Okay, from here it has given a high of 4,583. Almost it has touched the 4,600 last week. 4,583 was dollar was the highest of the gold, which gold has touched the all time high of this number of $4,583. From here it has closed even around here was 4,550 पे ही close भी दिया है. Closing is also very good. Support is 4,300, we can say 70 or 50 भी 50 ले सकते हैं. Roughly 4,350 will be a important support, जो कि यहाँ से इसने ब्रेकआउट दे दिया. So if it is retesting, it will come to the 4,350, and again if it taking support and giving a reversal, then again it will go beyond this level. And the prediction from the fund houses is coming like more than 5000 sorry $5,000, yes, per ounce. So 5000, some fund houses has given the target for the gold in 2026, 5000 dollar per ounce, around 4600 650 तो ये ऑलरेडी पहुंच ही जाएगा. But it may go beyond this to level of 5000 also in 2026 first half, I can say. So this can be a target for 2026 for the gold. And now quickly we'll see the silver also, what is happening here. And here you can see how it is going only upward. You can see from here till I can say December 2025. Even in 2025 it happened till here. I guess this is the 6th June, means sixth month means June हुआ. So June 2025 से it has started going up. Even here it was consolidating, and from 6 June, means June 2025, it started upward journey. And only within 6 months till December 2025, see the journey of silver. I should say last 6 months only. uh, in 2025 it has given a 140% return in silver. Only 140% return the silver has given. And who all ever is invested in silver last six before 6 months in 2025, they might be having double return from the silver. So this is the actually 2025 scenario. But if you see from here how it has touched the 2 lakh in INR, I'm talking about 2,25,000 every now and then, making new highs, new record highs. And this week even it has touched the high of 79 also. Matlab it is even almost touched the 80 dollar per ounce the silver. Some, as some fund houses predicted for this, for the silver level, more than 2,40,000 also in 2026 first half. So 2,40,000, so not looking very far, because already 2,20,000 is done. Reason for the silver demand is high because of the industrial use of this silver. Because silver is going high, related to this silver, some stock like Hindustan Copper, Hindustan Zinc also going high, making new all time high. So because the silver is the byproduct of these metals, so silver is getting used in industrial purpose, like solar panel also. And some electronic product like mobile phones, laptop. And even for the cars EV cars में भी इनका यूज हो रहा है, इवन फॉर द सेमी कंडक्टर्स ऑल्सो. एंड ज्वेलरी पर्पस तो ऑलरेडी है ही उसका. So all these, so many things is happening in silver. So silver's uh, industrial use with along with its domestic use, its jewelry use, all thing is making its demands higher and high. So silver is very good potential, upside potential in coming years, coming time. So entering here at highest level may be a jumping in a running train. So wait and watch. Wait for the little bit fall. Let it be little bit cool down. Then you may, if you want, you may enter. So this is the silver scenario. Price prediction I just mentioned that 140% तो उसने लास्ट ईयर में ही 6 मंथ में ही दे दिया है. द हाई ऑफ द 79.6 ऑलरेडी डन. और लो इसका है जो कि सपोर्ट हो सकता है, विच इज द 67.4. 67.5 around can be a very good support for the silver, and it may again from here take a new reversal towards the new high, but yes, if it's breaking this, it may fall a little bit down, but you need to watch that this 67.5 level, and highest level is the 79.6 already it is, and it may even go beyond that also. May already almost has touched this $80 per ounce. So this can be a good level for the silver. Now I'll go to the Nifty 50 chart and we'll discuss important levels. And here I have drawn the line, this trend line, and this trend line, even last video I also drawn, and this has made a descending triangle pattern. And descending triangle pattern here has given a breakout from here. You can see here a gap up opening and the breakout happened. Candle was not that good, but yes, it has given the close breakout, closed above this trend line. I may see a good, I may see a breakout, but breakout confirmed last week. I made till here this and even shown this line also, and now I'm updating that this breakout is confirmed with the confirmation candle of this one here. So this was a very good opened gap. This was gap which is looking like Nifty 50 is coming toward this level to fill this gap. It is possible. A small resistance here around 26,200, and here also it has taken resistance, here also, and here also, and here the 26,200 यहाँ पे. Yes, 26,200 a small resistance already it was here, and exactly here it has taken resistance coming towards this 20-day EMA already touched here, which is 25,900 26,000 actually. Yes, 26,000 के आसपास इसने टच भी किया. Exactly 26,000 is it is a support for the 20 EMA. It has touched here, closed above the 26,000 definitely, but looking not looking good, not looking positive. अगर ये ब्रेकआउट है तो व्हाट मे हैपन, दिस डिसेंडिंग ट्रायंगल ब्रेकआउट, इट मे कम till here also for the retesting may possible for the next coming days, coming weeks. It may, if it's breaking this 26,000, it is definitely coming to this level of 25,700. 25,700 again can be a good support here, where it is looking, it is coming towards this level, and this is already a good support. So it may come to here for the retest and then again take a reversal and go to the level of 26,300, the all-time high around. It is not breaking the all-time high of 26,300, then only it may go further beyond the level, otherwise it will stuck. It is actually getting stuck in this range only, below the 26,300. Yes, the reason, the important reason, I have discussed the reason of this decline, this fall, and the important reason you can see, you can go in the video. I will give the video link in I button, and you can check the important reason why it is falling. But definitely it is looking like tough, because so many expectations also, the market has so many expectation also for the q3 update, and from the budget also. So we need to watch all that. You can see I have talked in detail all these reasons in my Saturday video, and yes, here I have cleared that this level of 26,000, if it's broken, definitely it will reach to the 25,800 700 again. I have analyzed and discussed and talked in detail what I can do my best. Overall, I have discussed the gold prices. I have discussed the silver prices also for the next year, and I have discussed the Nifty 50 levels also. Along with that, the global market is okay, like flat. USD and INR I will talk, and INR again trading at its highest level of around 90. We need to watch that it should even not go beyond the 9091. So that I already discussed in my last video, the chart of USD INR, and it is already trading at the same level again around 80. थोड़ा बहुत फॉल हुआ था लास्ट वीक में, but again it is trading around 90. And I will discuss again the Nifty 50 levels for the next week. Important support is 26,000, then 25,700. Important resistance is already the all time high 26,300. So I hope you got everything in detail, and to know update about the silver, gold, Brent oil, global market update, stock market update, and of course indices levels update. Please keep watching the